You and I have talked for many years, right, about India and the growth potential. I know you invest in commercial property, hotels, in India, but also in other emerging markets. So, how excited or optimistic are you, or are you not, about this tax reform in India?
We continue to be quite optimistic, and I think important to step back for a moment. India has long been plagued by bureaucracy and corruption. And those have been two gating items for foreign investors, particularly of scale.
Yeah.
These last moves, say over the last 6 months, last time we were together, we talked about demonetization at the end of last year. Demonetization hammered corruption and the black market by effectively removing about 90% of the hard currency. That was done very quickly.
Yeah, it was messy.
It was, but it was
certainly messy.
But it wasn't a debate. It was done.
Right.
Next was the bankruptcy law, and the bankruptcy law effectively strengthened lenders' rights. That's also important because case law in India has long been painfully slow. It's not uncommon to have cases drag for a decade or more. Thirdly is this GST, government or goods and services tax.
Right.
For 75 plus years, India has had this Byzantine structure.
So confusing, right?
Import, excise, sales, VAT, I mean, who knows what.
I mean, you've experienced this firsthand, right?
And through friends both in and out of the real estate business, people look at this as directionally very important for India. Not all the problems get solved at once, rather incrementally. Prime Minister Modi is sometimes criticized for this. We view it the opposite. We view it as directionally very positive for India.
So does it, I mean, I want to know, sort of a real world example. I mean, for your business, I know, you look at India constantly for new opportunities. Does it encourage you to invest in India? Is it going to make tax preparation easier for you in India? Yeah,
we're in the midst of building our fourth logistic property platform in emerging markets globally, one in Latin America. We are keen to do the same in India.
Okay.
With this GST, there's now an elimination of the border separation by state. And so the expectation is that both infrastructure, road building, movement, transportation, as well as logistic real estate, and the ability to move goods without this arduous process of moving things across state borders.
Right.
And so that's we believe, have a very positive effect on logistic property, which will be a big sector for India, which is nowhere today.
Okay.